And this is the other X factor. Wild Stallion.